Good morning, everyone. This is Urobo Bible reading. Today, we are reading Matthew chapter 2, verse 16 to 18 in Urobo language. Obe ri Matthew uyobi royin ive awo royin ikwe gbesa rite ikwe gbe rere. Verse 16. Ri Herod woriene ikwo na mie oyin piyo ivude miowo gaga ode ji ikon ne erekwe emo boba re ishari re he Bethlehem ejobi kugbe eko royin ejobi emo re ikpe ive re oto ne oke rewo wie omona rena. Verse 17. Koye aro emra ri jeri maya wo sene. Verse 18. Enyo ururu vi rama edo re ovie kugbe ome moho reshe ravie ke emo royin ogbe rove ne Hebrew oyin uke kidie emona gbe ero. Thank you for seeing me.